right, 6th grade, I'm introducing a new formula for you guys. We're going to start talking area of triangles. We've got a pen real quick. So area of triangles. Well, when we're looking at a triangle, we've been learning about triangles and sides and angles and everything. And what we need to do now is to figure out how do we find the area of a triangle. Well, the formula for the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. Okay? Very simple, very straightforward. Find the area. And all you have to remember is that when we have a centimeter times a centimeter, or it could be a meter times a meter, or it could be a liter times a liter, it's always going to be a centimeter square, meter square, okay? Because I'm multiplying these two together, it's going to square it, okay? All right, so here, I'm going to go ahead and write my formula. A equals 1/2 BH, base times height. So I'm going to set it up. A equals 1/2 BH. A equals, now what we have to understand is, this is my base. So I'm going to write base here, and this is my height. Okay, so I'm going to go 1/2, open parentheses, 12 times 10, close parentheses. So it's my base times my height, 12 times 10. I'm going to go A equals 1/2, which 12 times 10 is 120. So then I'm going to take this and I'm going to multiply this by 1/2, which is that 0.5, which A equals 60 centimeters square. Okay? Because if I go 120 times 0.5, I get 60. Okay? All right, let's look at the next one. Remember, this is my base. This is my height. A equals 1/2 BH. A equals 1/2. My base is 22, and my height is 20. Okay, A equals, which is my area, 1/2, which 22 times 20 is going to equal out to 440. A equals, because if I go 440 times 0.5, I get 220. I'm measuring this in feet square. All right. All right, now this one's a little bit different, but that's okay. We've got this. A equals 1/2 BH. So we know this is 11, and this is 17, okay? So A equals, this is my base, this is my height. A equals 1/2, 11 my base, times my height. A equals 1/2, which is 187. 11 times 17 is 187. A equals 93.5. Now we're measuring this in inches, and there's how many of them? 2 inches square. All right, a triangle has a base of 14 centimeters and a height of 8 centimeters. That's all I need are those two numbers, knowing that A equals 1/2 BH. A equals 1/2. My base is 14. My height is 8. 14 times 8. A equals 1/2. 14 times 8 is 112. A equals 56, and we measured this in centimeters square. All right, Sarah the artist is making a tile mosaic out of triangle-shaped tiles. The tiles are put together on a large board. Each tile has a base of 2 inches and a height of 3 inches. Sarah uses 150 tiles. What is the area of the mosaic? All right, first off, let's find out what one tile is. So we know that area equals 1/2 base times height, right? Okay, so we have a base of 2 and a height of 3. Area equals 1/2 2 times 3, which gives me what? 6, you're right. Area equals 1/2 6, which when I multiply those together, I get 3. Area equals 3, okay? And then I wanted to know how many, right? So I'm going to go 150 times 3 gives me 450 inches square. And that's how you would solve that one. I'll take a picture of this one, and I will add your quiz to it. All right, you guys have a great day. Miss y'all so much. Bye.